Hello, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to crochet a cute little flower vase from yarn. You can use it to hold different types of flowers and decorate your home beautifully. The crochet flower vase is very easy to make and suitable for all skill levels. Now we will crochet the flower. I'll guide you through how to crochet a rose. Use red yarn and start with a slip knot. Chain 23 stitches. Skip the first 3 chains, then crochet 3 double crochets into the 4th chain from the hook, all in the same stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch. That completes the first pattern cluster. Continue repeating the pattern cluster. 3 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 single crochet. Skip 1 stitch. In the last 2 stitches, in the first stitch, we will crochet 3 single crochets into the same stitch. In the last stitch, make 1 single crochet, and that completes the first round. To start round 2, chain 2. Crochet 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Next, crochet 1 double crochet increase by crocheting 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Crochet 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2. Crochet 1 single crochet into the next stitch. The first petal is complete. Repeat the pattern to chain stitches. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet to chain stitches, 1 single crochet until the end of the round. Chain 2 stitches. Crochet 1 double crochet. Crochet 1 double crochet increase. 1 double crochet, chain 2, crochet 1 single crochet, cut the yarn. Use green yarn to create the calyx, starting with a magic ring. Crochet 5 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 to start round 2. In round 2, crochet 5 increases. To create an increase, crochet 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Crochet 1 slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 5 stitches. Skip the first stitch, then make a slip stitch into the second and third stitches. Next, make 1 single crochet stitch. Finally, make 1 half double crochet stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue by chaining 5. Skip the first stitch, then crochet 2 slip stitches. Next, crochet 1 single crochet stitch. One half double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, then crochet 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue in the same way until the end of the round, then cut the yarn. Thread the excess yarn through the center of the flower calyx. Here we will crochet the leaves. Use green yarn and start with a slip knot. Chain 10 stitches. Use a flexible wire to shape the leaf for the flower. Skip the first stitch and crochet 1 single crochet into the second stitch. Next, crochet 1 half double crochet. Then, crochet 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet stitch. At the last stitch, crochet 3 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Then, crochet 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet stitch. Then, crochet 1 single crochet stitch. Finally, slip stitch into the first stitch to join and finish the round. Cut the yarn and wrap the stem. Use a piece of soft wire to wrap the flower part. Insert it into the top of the flower and wrap it into a circular shape. Use hot glue to secure the flower in place. Attach the calyx and use hot glue to secure it in place. Wrap the stem and secure the yarn in place. Use a piece of metal wire to wrap and secure the flower and leaves together. So our crochet rose vase is now complete. You can also crochet other types of flowers if you like.